Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready? Open YouTube and tap your profile icon. Once there, go straight to Settings, then History and Privacy so you don't waste time. You'll see options for clearing and pausing searches. Choose Clear Search History to remove past queries immediately. Make sure you understand this affects only searches tied to the current account. Once done, wait a moment for the confirmation. The app updates history status instantly, and you can continue to the next step. You tap Clear Search History and a confirmation pops up. Confirm to delete all saved searches from this account. Once confirmed, YouTube removes items from both app and web for that signed-in profile. Make sure to repeat on other signed-in devices if needed. If you prefer not to lose past queries, instead toggle Pause Search History so new searches won't be recorded. Once done, verify by searching for a test term. Paused history won't save it, which confirms the setting worked. Finish by testing. Perform a quick search and check History and Privacy to confirm it's gone or paused. If the deletion didn't take effect, sign out and sign back in or clear the app cache. Sometimes stale data prevents updates. Once done, also check Google Account My Activity if you use account-level logging. YouTube settings may not cover other logged services. If problems persist, restart the device and recheck. That typically resolves sync issues and ensures the history state matches your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.